Add half a cup of ice to a blender. Then pour in half an ounce of fresh orange juice, a tablespoon of agave syrup, 1 ounce of cherry rum, a quarter ounce of Kirschwasser, a quarter ounce of cherry brandy, and half a cup of fresh cherry puree. Blend until smooth, then pour into your cocktail glass and top with a mound of fresh whipped cream and a cocktail cherry. Congratulations, you're now ready to enjoy the Cherries Jubilee Martini, a culinary cocktail created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com. Cheers, my dears.